Assalamu alaikum. कैसी हैं आप आयशा?
Alhamdulillah.
Perfect. Aisha, can you introduce yourself for us?
All right. So I'm Aisha Sultan. I'm currently hold the position of additional director cargo. So basically, all the air cargo operations in Pakistan, I'm responsible to look after all this. For currently, we have basically at 5 locations we have international cargos, air cargo operations. So they all come under my position. So we basically in Pakistan Airports Authority, what we do is we construct, develop, and maintain and operate all airports in the country. So we are basically the airport custodians inside Pakistan.
Airport custodians inside Pakistan. That sounds like a very important job, Aisha. Can you tell us about your organization's future? Um, Let me rephrase that. The future that your organization plays for Pakistan's air cargo future, let's say 5 years from now.
So, future of Pakistan Air Cargo is, I think it's very promising. Why? Because we have huge potential. Right now, we are like, we haven't tapped on not even 1% of our air cargo operations right now. So we have huge potential outside Pakistan. Therefore, my organization, Pakistan Airports Authority, is currently working on major projects. Two of the major projects are the establishment of air cargo villages. What air cargo villages are basically, they are like ecosystems of all air cargo operations within one premises. So it's basically ease of doing business. You don't need to go to places to do one job for your air cargo, for one shipment. So all the facilities, all the allied facilities, all the handlers, freight forwarders would be placed in one place, and it will be a huge premises as well, so that the future quantum of air cargo volumes can also be catered over there. In addition, Pakistan Airports Authority also working on has also initiated four more projects to start international air cargo operations at our four airports. One is Skardu Airport, because Skardu is have minerals, they have fresh fruits, and it has immense export potential in outside Pakistan. So we are tapping into that area. Then we are moving to starting international air cargo operations at Faisalabad Airport. That is also, like, it's a very agriculture side of that. So we want to deburden our Lahore Airport and Multan Airport in that context. So we are starting over there as well. And two more are Gwadar International Airport and Quetta International Airport. So they are both in Balochistan province.
That sounds like a very busy future plan for your organization, Aisha. Can you tell us how you foresee technologies like AI or e-freight playing a role in shaping this future?
So AI and technology is going to lead air cargo operations in future. There is no denying this fact. We are also in Pakistan Airports Authority. We are also focusing on bringing in solutions that are AI predictive solutions that are based on digitalization. And right before I was coming to this event, I got news from my office that Pakistan Airport Authority has started cashless transactions all over Pakistan at all airports. For example, if you want to hire a porter, you don't need to pay a cash. You will just go to the counter, you will scan the QR code, and you will pay directly. So it will show more efficiency as well, and transparency as well, and also increase revenue for Pakistan Airport
Perfect,
Authority as well.
perfect. Sounds great. Thank you so much for your time, Aisha.